Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce from dried peppers, step by step. First, let's rehydrate those wonderful dried chili peppers. Choose your favorites, whether they are smoky chipotles or fiery habaneros, to create a unique flavor. Simply soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes until they become soft and pliable. Then, carefully remove the stems and seeds for a smoother, more refined sauce. Now that your peppers are rehydrated, it's time to blend them into a delicious sauce. Transfer the softened peppers to a blender. Add about 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For extra depth, consider adding a few garlic cloves and 1/4 of an onion. Blend everything until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it chunky or super smooth. With your sauce blended, the next step is to cook it to perfection. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for at least 15 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the sauce thicken. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. Finally, let's get that hot sauce ready for bottling. For a silky smooth texture, strain the cooked sauce through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Discard the pulp. Once strained, pour your homemade hot sauce into sterilized bottles. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for several weeks, ready to spice up any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.